guys, today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Steam Tools to download Geometry Dash. First of all, you need to search up Steam Tools in the Google search bar. You'll get this Chinese website steamtools.net. Just click on it. Steam Tools is a very reputable piracy site in China. So this means installation link in Mandarin. So just download this. Yeah, so you can see here ST setup and then the number of the version. Then you're gonna go into there's a Google Drive that I have. I'm gonna show you that. It has lot of games which you can like play and pirate using Steam Tools. It basically has the Lua files for Steam Tools. It's called this right here, Mr. Ano. Indian YouTuber called Ano Khusraya gave me this. I found it in his video and it's very useful, so I'll share it with you guys. So firstly, like obviously you need to have Steam installed. Like have Steam installed for this to work. So like if I didn't have Geometry Dash, I do have Geometry Dash. I'll show you how to do it. But if I didn't, then yeah, I'll show you how to use Steam Tools basically. And also for this you're gonna be needing an application known as WinRAR. Just search it up. A lot of you might know about this. It's a compression tool. Just go to download WinRAR, download WinRAR, go to download and just download it. This is very useful. Like downloading WinRAR is very important in this step. Just have to download these two and Steam of course, but just set it up, click on yes, install, okay, and done. Boom, we have WinRAR. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna download it, the FIFA 22 or GTA 5. Like if I want to play GTA 5, I'll just click on these three dots and then click on download. So now it's scanning for viruses. Don't worry, there is no virus. I've been using this for many years and nothing has been inherently wrong with my PC. So you can trust me on this one. So now we have the Lua files. This tricks Steam into thinking that you've downloaded it. So basically all you're going to do is open with WinRAR. Right click on it and then like look, right click, WinRAR, hover over it and then open with WinRAR. Now we're just going to let ST setup. We're going to let it run. Next, whichever area we wanted to download, just click on that. Just click on install. Boom. So now there's gonna be a little this thing right here, thingy mabob. So right now in Steam you can see I do not have GTA 5 installed as I have not purchased it yet. I haven't purchased any of these games. Most of them are paid, but using this method I got them for free. So we're just gonna put it to the side here. We open the GTA 5 file, this one, you know, the one we opened with WinRAR. We're just gonna open it again, drag our mouse cursor to do this, then just cover everything, all the files, cover them except this one, don't cover this. And then we're gonna left click and hold it and then hover over this. Boom. Go to launch options, launch with Steam, then just click on restart Steam. Now it's verifying Steam. Let's wait for a bit. Logging in. So now if we go to our library, we can see Grand Theft Auto 5 and you can download it from here and play it. Very fun. Do the same thing that I told you. If you want to download any other game like Geometry Dash or something. Just search Geometry Dash, here it is, download it and do the same thing, and then when you open Steam again it will pop up. For this disclaimer, you need to have Steam installed. Steam install before you do any of this. Have Steam installed on your PC, and also be signed in with your own account preferably. Don't share your account to anybody else, because uh, if you do then you won't be able to get it back. So many games that I love like God of War, Geometry Dash, I wouldn't be able to play them unless I paid, and obviously I can't pay for them. So I just use this method and it's really fun. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to, of course. Bye bye.